What's up, Santa Fe Elementary? This is Jackson and Mrs. Rhoten, and we are here for our 4th edition of Math Games in the Dining Room. If you haven't caught our first 3 editions, be sure to check out our Santa Fe Facebook page for those games. We had a lot of fun with dice. We're going to move on. We're not going to use dice today, are we? No. We are going to move on to a game that only involves paper and pencil. That's all you need. So we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, so this game is called Tic-Tac-15, and it's pretty simple. You just make your own game board, just like you would with tic-tac-toe. You just draw 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines to make 9 squares. We made numbers 1 through 9 so that we can move them around and use them over and over again. You could just write in numbers if you wanted to do it that way. But let's go ahead and get started. Jackson, tell us, what is the goal? How do we win at Tic-Tac-15?
15 in a row, like if you put a 5 there and then an 8 and then a 2, then you win.
Okay, so you're trying to, just like tic-tac-toe, right? Either vertically, those 3, horizontally or diagonally, you want it to add up to, or you want the sum, right? Use our math words, our math vocabulary. You want the sum to equal 15. All right, well, let's just go ahead and get started. You want to go first? You could do rock, paper, scissors to go first, but I'm going to let you go first today. All right, Jackson's starting with a 9 in the corner. Interesting. Oh, there's one very important rule, though. If you go first, what's that one special rule we have to follow?
You cannot put a 5 in the middle.
Okay, if you go first, you are not allowed to put a 5 in the middle. You can put anything else in the middle. You can put a 5 anywhere else, but you cannot put a 5 in the very center to start with, because then you're guaranteed to win right away. So it's kind of like cheating, and we don't want to do that, okay? All right, so Jackson chose a 9. Now I have the rest of the numbers to choose from. How could I make 15? I have to think about it, though, because if I put a 3 here, 9 plus 3 is 12. How many more would I need to get 15? 3, right? And I've already used the 3, so maybe I'll try that. Maybe I'll try that strategy. 9 plus 3 is 12. So I know there's not another 3 for him to use, right? Okay, go ahead. He's thinking. Oh, he went with an 8. Okay, so we know he didn't win yet because that does not add up to 15. The sum is not 15. Okay. You're being sneaky here. What am I going to do here? I think I'm going to put a 7 here because 8 plus 7 is 15 and there's no 0 card. Nine plus 6 is 15 and I can't. What is 7 plus 6? Maybe across the center. 7 plus 6 is 13. Ooh, would I win if I did this? 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 6 is 15. Yes! Y'all have to understand, Jackson's really good at this game. I think he was just being really nice, letting me win this time. You didn't see that one. So your goal is to make 15 by adding, them up in a row, just like you would with tic-tac-toe. So vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. Now, this game is really a challenge if you want to do it by yourself. And I would love for someone to figure this out and send a picture of it to your teacher who can share it with me or even share it on Facebook. I am looking to see if anybody can figure out how to take all of these numbers on your board and make all of the directions equal 15. There is a way to do it. So you want each 3 of these vertical lines, the 3 horizontal lines, and the 2 diagonals to all equal 15 at the same time. If you think you can figure that out, take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. You can also email me. And I would love to see who can actually figure this out. I'm going to make Jackson work on this a little bit later, see if he can figure it out. All right, we hope you enjoyed our 4th edition of Tic-Tac-15. We hope you are staying safe at home, you were following the rules, staying away from other people, but you're outside having some fun in your backyard or your front yard as long as we're not hanging out with other people. We miss you. We hope to see you soon. That's it for our 4th edition. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.